Hey guys, so coming to you with a little tutorial today. I am about to wash my hair. Finally, I'm sure some of you are seeing it and they're like, oh my god, you have not washed your hair. So I don't color and I don't use heat on my hair every day, yet my hair is just still super dry and stringy. So I'm gonna show y'all my organic hair masks that I do about like once a week just to keep my hair really shiny and more moisturized and, you know, nourished. So here we go. All right, just got out of the shower. My hair is wet. I did not shampoo and condition it just yet. I'm gonna do the hair mask first and then I'm gonna shampoo and condition and wash the hair mask off. So here's how I make it. All right guys, so I have my little pan, my little pot right here. And then I have organic Trader Joe's. This is from Trader Joe's. I can't pronounce the other name. All natural olive oil. I have organic coconut oil. I have organic honey and a banana. Okay, so the reason I am doing this all organically is just because I found some of the hydrating leave-in conditioners can actually dry my hair out. I don't know if it's some of the sulfates they use or some of the chemicals they use, but it does not work for me. So I've switched to everything organic. So olive oil is it has a lot of omega fatty acids, which helps aid the hair in nourishing it and moisturizing it. Coconut oil will revive it and moisturize it beyond anything. The honey sets it and seals it in and provides shine. And then the banana just kind of makes it more, I don't want to say creamy isn't the right word, but it makes it more voluminous and like more full and like kind of luscious. So here's how I do this. So I'm going to turn the oven on just low, not too much. And I'm going to open this up, and I kind of just don't measure. I'm terrible at that. I put about 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in the pot. Okay, gonna open this honey, and I do about a dollop of honey in the hair mask. Just give it a good big squeeze. Olive oil, I do about just a good solid pour. It's probably about 2 teaspoons, teaspoon and a half. Okay, and now for the banana. Okay, I don't like to use a banana that's completely ripe. I just kind of mash it up in my hand. This will get sticky. I just stick it all in there, and I just let that melt all together and simmer until it's all melted. So once the oil is all melted, it'll kind of look something like this. I mashed up the bananas. It doesn't look very pretty, but we're gonna go put this on. Side note, the pan is hot, but it should be hot to the touch, but you should be able to leave your finger there and stick your finger inside. It should be hot, but it shouldn't burn you. Okay, next step. Okay, so I put a towel around me just because this can get quite messy. I have a Bellaterra powder brush. It's synthetic. This is just what I use to do it. But you're gonna dip your brush in the pot with that banana, and you're just going to start stippling that throughout your hair until your hair is kind of drenched in that concoction that we just made. Okay, now that our hair is nice and oily, I actually made a perfect amount, so that's good. I'm going to let this sit in my hair. I normally did it for 30 minutes last time, but you know, I'm watching The Bachelor tonight, so I'm gonna let my hair sit for the next like few hours. So I'm gonna put my towel up, drink my wine, just let this sit up in a towel. Bachelor, here we come. So super crusty hair. I left it in longer than expected, but gonna wash it out now. Hi guys, so it is the next morning. I went ahead and curled my hair, and it is surprisingly, I have no product in it whatsoever. I decided not to do anything to it and just try the hair mask out by itself, and it is probably the best hair day I've had in a long time. Like, my hair is super shiny, super voluminous, and it is holding its curl very, very well, and it feels super, super soft to the touch. So I've been doing this hair mask for probably about 2-3 months. But this is the first time I decided not to put any product in my hair just to try it out, because I've noticed some of the hair products that have hydrating stuff in there actually dry out my hair. I don't know if it's something they use in there or not, so I decided to go product free this time, and I'm kind of amazed. So I'm super happy with it, and this is probably the softest my hair's been in years. But all right, I hope you guys try this out and get a chance to. Bye guys.